When we compare AdGuard DNS and Cloudflare DNS for Windows in 2025, the difference comes down to features. Cloudflare DNS, known as 1.1.1.1, is fast, reliable, and focused on privacy. It's a great free option if all you want is speed and basic security. But here's the catch. Cloudflare doesn't block ads or trackers, which means your Windows apps, games, and browsers will still be full of unwanted distractions. AdGuard DNS goes further. It not only gives you fast and secure DNS but also blocks ads, trackers, and malicious sites system-wide. You can even customize filters, enable parental controls, and use encrypted DNS protocols for complete privacy. It's everything Cloudflare offers, plus the ad blocking power that makes your browsing clean and distraction-free. That's why for Windows users in 2025, AdGuard DNS is the smarter choice. And the best part? By using my affiliate link in the description, you'll unlock an exclusive discount on AdGuard. Don't settle for speed alone. Get speed, privacy, and full ad blocking with AdGuard DNS. Check the link below and grab your discount today.